Ganyan lang siya. Breathing lang. Again, don't forget yung shaking your body. Yan, breathing. Sa umaga, pag wake up nyo, isang simple, no? Inhale. Yan, yan pare. Isang simpleng punch. Punch. And then punch. Punch. And then punch. Punch. And block. Punch. Then arm circulars. Okay na. The next natin, punch. Block. Punch. Block. Punch. Block. Ngit. Punch. Block. Punch. Block. Punch. Block. Punch. Block. Punch. Block. Good. Next. On guard. Punch. Punch. Block. Block. Punch. Punch. Block. Block. Punch. Punch. Block. Block. Punch. Punch. Block. Block. Punch. Punch. Pwede nyo siyang gawing ilang repetitions. Punch. 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 Block. Block. Circular again. Kahit mga 10 times o 5 times. Para ma-shake yung body nyo. Next is yung downward block. Okay? So, downward block. Downward block. Hammer. Hammer. Downward block. Downward block. Hammer. Hammer. Downward block. Downward block. And easy. Exercise. Hindi nyo naman kailangan. Elbows naman tayo. Simple lang. Side. Ayan. After nito, ito. So na. Okay. Again. Simple. Ito naman. Side. Flush. And then back. Slash. Back. Slash. Look. Slash. Back. Slash. Back. Basta kamay na. Ganito lang siya. Slash. Back. Slash. Straight. Parang may power. Slash. Slash. Back. Left foot forward. Okay. Then elbows were back. Strike. Slash. Slash. And then back. Okay. Here. Movements niya. Yan. Kick. Simple lang yung kick. may konting balance. Now, combination now, last, pak, pak. Then, pak, pak. Oh. Pwede yung target ng sipa mo kahit saan. So, pam, pam, sipa sa tiyan, standby, balance. Pam, pam, sipa. Again, 1, 2, balance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. So, yun lang yung movements natin. Nagawa mo siya. Malaking tulong to.